Hello guys, well now I am going to explain you how exactly to grip the ball for this type of googly. Well, to grip the ball for this type of googly, it will be just like similar to the for a basic leg break grip. So the grip will be in this way. Well, the grip will be in this way in such a way that the thumb can be switched on or switched off. Okay. Well, first of all you need to grip the ball in with a cross seam. Okay. So grip the ball in such a way that the thumb can be switched on or switched off. Okay. And now the index finger which should be at a comfortable distance with the middle finger, we can see it shouldn't be too close or it shouldn't be too large like this. Well, the distance between the index finger and middle finger should be comfortable and should be nicely rested on the top of the seam like this. Okay, now depending upon the different individuals or depending upon the different flexibilities, the distance will change. The distance between the index and middle will change. Okay, now the ring finger should be rested along with the seam in down direction like this. Okay, you can see like this in down direction along with the seam. Now this ring finger is also called as the spinning finger. Well, why this finger is called a spinning finger? Because this is the finger which plays a major role in spinning the ball from right to left like this. Well, you can see how I am trying to rotate the ball from right to left with the help of the spinning finger or the ring finger. Okay, now this is the finger which plays a major role in rotating the ball from right to left, or else you can say this is the finger which plays the major role in this type of googly also, or you can say in basic leg break also. Okay, now finally the grip shouldn't be too tight like this. Okay, it shouldn't be too close in contact with the palm, or it shouldn't be too loose like this. Okay, there shouldn't be too much of gap between the ball and the palm. Okay, it should be comfortable like this. Okay, now to get the comfortability, what you need to do is practice with the help of the spinning finger or the ring finger. Like, try to spin the ball from right to left when you get the time. When you ball delivery to delivery or from ball to ball, you get a you will be getting some seconds of time. Okay, now in that time you need to practice. Okay, so that you can get the comfortability and the flexibility in gripping the ball. Okay, remember that you need to rotate the ball with the help of the spinning finger or the ring finger. Okay, finally the grip will be in this way. Okay, the thumb can be switched on or switched off. Okay, hope you have understood the how to grip the ball for this type of googly.
Well, in order to ensure the position of the arm to maintain at an angle of more than 60 degrees comfortably, the direction of the front leg has to face towards the batsman or wicketkeeper region, and also at the same time the position or the direction of the chest has to face towards the leg slip or fine leg region. And now, in order to ensure the back of the palm to face comfortably towards the batsman, the position of the arm has to be maintained at an angle of more than 60 degrees. Well, in order to spin the ball along with the seam in the direction of leg slip region, the position of the wrist has to be maintained in such a way that the back of the palm has to face the batsman.
Hello guys, well now I am going to explain you what exactly is the concept of rotation of the ball in this type of googly. Well, actually to say the concept of rotation of the ball in any type of googly is one and same, because the rotation of the ball will always should be in the direction of leg slip region. In fact, the ball should rotate in the direction of leg slip region so that the ball after hitting the pitch should move into the batsman. Well, you need to understand that the rotation of the ball should be in the direction of leg slip region. The ball can rotate in the direction of leg slip region will be either with the scrambled seam or you can say along with the direction of position of the seam. Well, at the end of the day, it should rotate in the direction of leg slip region. Okay, so in this type of googly, the rotation of the ball will be along with the direction of, along with the direction of the seam, along with the seam rotating in the direction of leg slip region. It will be in this way. Okay, for this type of googly. So how do you do this? Well, this is the palm. Okay, now this is the back of the palm. So when you ball a googly, this type of googly, the back of the palm will face the batsman like this. Okay, when you grip the ball just like a leg break, as I said in earlier video, you need to grip the ball in this way. And what you need to make sure is you need to concentrate on the ring finger or a spinning finger. What you need to do is, with the help of the spinning finger, you need to make sure to rotate the ball in the direction of leg slip region along with the seam like this, with the back of the palm facing towards the batsman. Well, if you, with a high arm action, if you look at my action, if you look at my arm, it is high arm and my back of the palm is clearly facing the batsman. Well, I will show you very closely. See, now what you need to do is, with the help of the ring finger or a spinning finger, you need to rotate the ball in the direction of leg slip region like this. See, you can see the direction of position of the seam is clearly towards the leg slip region, facing towards the leg slip region. Okay, so that the ball after hitting the pitch should move into the batsman. It's like this. Okay, with the help of the ring finger, we are going to do this phenomena with the help of this ring finger. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, well, this is the phenomena you are going to do here. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see my direction of position of the seam. You can see the direction of position of the seam clearly facing towards the leg slip region. Okay, so this is the way you need to rotate the ball with the help of the ring finger or a spinning finger. So this is what how the concept of rotation of the ball in this type of googly is all about. Okay.
Well, majorly with the help of the ring finger and also with the support of the index and middle fingers, you can see how nicely the ball along with the seam facing towards the leg slip region is trying to rotate in forward direction. Even from this angle, you can see very clearly how nicely the ball along with the seam facing towards the leg slip region is trying to rotate in forward direction, which finally helps the ball to move sharply into the batsman after hitting the pitch.
Hope you have understood. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.